Okay, everybody, today I'm going to do some exercises for knee and hip realignment, also for hamstring strengthening. And these are jumps, these are box jumps, so you can modify these jumps as you need it. And so I'm going to start off with some solo jumps, then I'm going to do some box jumps on to maybe like 36 inches right here. Then I'm going to do some hamstring, what we call Congo lunges. I call them Congo lunges because I don't want to call them Belgian lunges. Belgians stole a lot from the Congo and they probably stole these too. So I'm thinking I'm going to call these Belgian lunges. So I'm going to do those, and then I'm going to do some sort of power clean, I guess strengthening exercises with a 45-pound plate, and I'm going to be lifting it up on one leg. So just follow this and see what you think. Okay, here we go. Okay, so these are just simple jumps here. So you want to keep your knees aligned with your toes. And you want to do sets of 10 or sets of 20, like perhaps 3 sets of 20. And you're coming down even with your knees aligned with your toes. You're coming up and you're just coming up like this and landing deep into it. Coming up, landing deep into it, coming up, landing deep into it. And that will help you with your knee and hip alignment. So the next ones that we will do a bit more explosion. So you're coming up in that same position, keeping your knees aligned, and you're driving it up, and you're landing deep into it just like that. So then you also want to have what we call a dynamic view of that. So you want to get every aspect of motion. So you're going to come to the side on those as well. So you're starting off here, you're coming up, and you're exploding into it. Up, here, and you're landing so you can still stay low surface to the ground. And of course, you don't want to leave it going just that way. You want to go this way too. So I just got down doing hundreds, so I'm a little winded, so bear with me. So here you go, come up here, and you're exploding with it. Boom, low surface. Okay, good, so that's good. The next ones that you want to do, since I'm here, I wonder if you can still see me, and maybe not. So I think I'll do it here. So maybe you see me, maybe you don't, but I'm going to do it anyway. So these are hamstring strengthening exercises as well, where you're taking your heels, you're keeping your butt off the ground, taking your heels down, 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 10 steps, down, keeping that butt up, and then bringing it back up right here. So I'm going to do more after my workout. So then after that, you do these. We're lifting, keeping that butt really up there, working that ham down in there. You can see the ham developing down in there. There, okay, so there, and then coming up with the same one again. So I'm not doing many because I have to do quite a few, and I don't want the tape to run out. So the next ones that you're going to do, Congo lunges. So here, these are for your hamstrings. I hope you can see me. Yeah, you can. That's a little bit close though. So maybe I'll do it here. So here, so you're here, and you're keeping your chest up a bit, knees straight, alignment with your toes, coming down, keeping that knee aligned with your toes, coming down. All right, and so then also with those, you want to go slightly down, and you're coming down where you're bending all the way down with your knee slightly bended here, coming all the way down, up. Okay, I like that. So with these, we want heavier weight because we really want to stress the hamstrings. And I'm going to show you so you can see the development coming in as the muscles go down. So you're going to have your legs slightly bent, and you're coming down here, just slightly bent, keeping that knee aligned right there, slightly bent, all the way down, and then you're going to drive it up, Then you're gonna come down, slightly bent, keeping your balance, you know, for that proprioception happening too. And then drive it up. So that's a good one for the hamstring. I won't put that there, so I won't put too much weight on that. So that's a good one. The other one that I do is it's an easy, simple one. And this is for people at a low level where you're just trying to get the hips aligned and the knees aligned, and you're just going down, looking with your body parallel to, so then you're coming down, staying low and up, keeping that knee aligned, down, down, down. And you want to do 3 sets of 20 on those. So I hope those were helpful, and I had to do them quick because I didn't want to tape the run out, but I hope I've been of help. Hope that I explained enough, and I hope that you can get something out of these. Thanks, bye.